One well-matched nozzle or hose can improve cleanup way more than another impressive number on the vacuum box. The right accessory can actually improve pickup more than buying a larger vacuum. Floor nozzles, crevice tools, brushes, tool shrouds, adapters, extension wands, hose cuffs, and specialty filters all change how air and debris actually enter your system. But every narrow fitting, sharp bend, and poor seal can also reduce performance. This article is going to explain which accessories fit common contractor tasks, how hose diameter affects them, and what to consider before building a maze of adapters that just choke airflow. Go ahead and visit mukbuddy.com to learn more.